welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing my everyday makeup tutorial. This is like a natural bronzy, sun-kissed, glowy look that I've been doing for years, and I'm just going to share with you like my little hacks for the right way to just kind of complement your face with makeup. I always find that less is more, so this is my everyday makeup tutorial.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So the very first thing that I do is I mix my Maybelline concealer. It is in the wrong shade, so I mix it with this is a BB cream, but I don't put it all over my face. I was using this other concealer that I got in like a Ipsy glam bag, but oh shit, that's a lot. I got it like a long time ago, and I think it was a little bit old, and I shouldn't have been using it, but you live and you learn, right? Just gonna like get a little bit of that and put it in the very corner of my eye. Just like that. On both sides, obviously. And then I do the same thing on the outer corner of my eye. Then I go in with this setting powder and I just set my under eyes just in the parts where I put the concealer. These brushes are really dirty, but this is a Morphe Y1. This right here is the trick. I like to look really fresh and glowy and sun-kissed. That's my goal because I just think it looks super natural. So I use this Too Faced Hangover Primer and this Morphe Y6 brush. I just spritz this a couple times just to dampen the brush. Then I go in with this Maybelline Cheek Heat. I just squeeze a little bit and I put it right there. After you look like this, I'm just gonna go in with that brush that we dampened and just kind of blend it all around. Okay, so once that's all blended in, I forgot to bronze. So I'm just going in with this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. You guys, this stuff smells like heaven. It just smells like a tropical vacation. I'm taking this Morphe Y1 brush. Just put this all over your face. I just like to blend it everywhere because I really like it to look natural. Now that we have that done, I'm going to go in with this really dirty CoverGirl Clear Brow Gel. This is actually clear mascara, but I use it for my eyebrows. I just brush them the opposite way first. Like that, so they look really cute, and then I brush it back, so I'm really coating every eyebrow hair, and then I just like go and brush it up, make it look nice and wispy, just like that. And then I do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use this Benefit What's Up. This is very, very old, but I remember I wanted it so bad because I used to watch makeup tutorials on YouTube all the time, and all of the girls that I watched used this, and this was like the tits, and I could never afford it, so I got it for Christmas a long, long time ago, and I just love it. Anyways, I'm gonna take that same Morphe Y6 brush that we used to put on my blush, and I'm just gonna run it along the edge. Like that. Then I just go in and pretty much just brush it all over my cheekbone. Look at that glow. Okay, so the very next thing that I do is actually a trick that I just heard about it. My mom actually told me, I think she saw it on TikTok or something like that. I'm like always that bitch that has Vaseline. So if you ever have chapped lips, you can come to me because I always have Vaseline. Anyways, you're gonna take a clean spoolie and you're gonna get a little bit of Vaseline on there. Yeah, like that. Basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna brush it along the top of your eyelashes and then you're gonna curl them. Once you've coated the top of your eyelashes, I'm just gonna take an eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. See, no mascara. And then I just go back in and curl them if they're, brush them out if they're like a little bit clumpy. I like to set my cream blush with powder blush always. So I just use this Morphe palette and a Morphe, that's really dirty. I use the shade Provocative. And then I just put that like on the tops of my cheeks. Now it's time to do my eyebrows, which is my least favorite part because I'm a perfectionist. Anyways, I use this, I don't know where this brush is from, but I just use like an eyebrow brush and I spray it with hairspray so it's like rock hard. I just take a black eyeshadow, you can use any black eyeshadow, tap off the excess, and then I just go in and create like little fake hair strokes. And last but not least, lips. So I just love to wear like a chapstick, but I just don't have like the perfect combination of a chapstick and a lip tint. So this is my all-time favorite lipstick and they don't sell it anymore. This is the Revlon Matte Balm in the shade 225. After I do that, I go in with Vaseline and I just put it all over my lips. Alright, that completes my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching and I love you guys.